All right, the first question of the day. Oh. I have got to go to Walgreens after here and stop this from happening. All right. There we go. I think we'll do this one first. I might have done one like it the other day. I can't remember, but there you go. You got like 3 minutes. You're going to get sick of doing these because they make up like 80% of your test. Of course, if you want to learn Beethoven's Fifth, you just stare at the piano, right? And wish that you could play Beethoven's Fifth, and then when the recital comes, you can play it. Right? Okay, problems on the board, that means be quiet. My head's starting to hurt. Oh. Y'all listening to the one with the girl with the red hat turned around backwards? Yeah, I'll show it to you.
You sure doesn't have any bad news?
Yeah, I don't want you to be offended. Not like you can go out in the hallway and hear it. There it is.
Oh, yeah.
Is that the one y'all listen? That's the latest one. I think it's important that people watch these people and how smart they are. They're very, very smart. I hate these commercials. Michael James? I like him. Wow. That's what you get when you get the that's what you get.
I think if he was in the National Guard, he'd be for Donald Trump.
What?
That guy who had like National Guard on.
Oh yeah, National Guard. He had a National Guard hat on.
I don't
Sound like he was 3 sheets in the wind.
Mean like watering away?
like drunk.
Uh,
But you can make like $15 an hour by protesting. That's what several of the people that were interviewed said. They told me you would make $15 an hour to protest Donald Trump.
I wonder if they got paid.
So I'm personally, if they're paying people to protest against the candidate, that's probably the one I'm going to vote for.
It's giving Trump more publicity.
Yep. All right, y'all done? Y'all should be done. I'm fixing to sneeze. I know, but I'm the master of this universe, so I can do it. Y'all are peons. What? Well, we're in academia, and I am the teacher, so I have to be arrogant. I have to be belligerent. So I'm the master of this universe, and you're a peon. You're peasant. Yeah. It's academia. Get with the program. All right. This one's easy. Why is it easy? Well, you use your properties. And when you use your properties, you should come up with the natural log of 4x plus 15 over what? X. This is like happened like since this morning. I woke up, I was fine, and we started hitting. And this morning I wasn't talking like this. Now I'm talking like this. So it's going to get worse. Natural log of 4x plus 15 over x is equal to the natural log of 5. Now, the last time we met, I think we were doing a couple like these. And since these two are the same, you can write it log base e of 4x plus 15 over x equals log base e of 5. These are the same bases, right? If they're the same bases, then you can set these two what? Good. So we did cover that. Good. So that's going to be 4x plus 15 over x is equal to 5. Now solve that. Of course, you have a fraction, so the first thing you do is you clear the fraction by multiplying through both sides by what? The common denominator. Hopefully y'all remember that from your Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. So I'm going to put a baby step in there for you, just for those that need to remember. Multiply both sides by the common denominator. No coffee in class. That's going to cancel. That's going to leave you with 4x plus 15 is equal to 5x. This is a smaller bucket. Move it over. 15 is equal to what? And plug that back in. You should check it. 4 times 15 is 60, plus that'll be 75 over 15. So if you took the natural log of 75 over 15, it should equal the natural log of 5. Okay? Next one. Anybody got a question on that one? I think that's about where we left off the other day. I picked out 4 more questions today. How many questions have we done so far with natural logs? About 10? I hope. For your benefit. Some of these may be repetitive, but like I said, if you want to learn how to play Beethoven's Fifth, you don't have to practice. You just have to sit there and stare at it, right? And what's all these people talking about practice? Just osmosis. You want to learn how to play Thunderstruck, you just stare at the guitar.
Thunderstruck? Is that what you said?
Put the guitar on your head and let it sit on your head.
Wait till thunder strikes.
Yeah, wait till the thunder strikes. You never heard of Thunderstruck?
ACDC.
That's how Eddie Van Halen learned how to play. He just took the guitar and put it on his head. And after about 15 years of that guitar being on his head, he just knew how to play.
That's a lot of years with guitar.
But he got participation trophies those 15 years, so he got those too. Y'all did get my email about the Math 111? Well, I sent it. You need to check it. Let me pull it up for y'all. Well, I sent it to everybody. I'll pull it up for those that grandmother stole your password or whatever. And the computer gets run over by a reindeer. I thought this was interesting. This guy's been doing social experiments. He just goes out. Shut up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh Lord, here they come. Oh But nobody flips you off when you vote for somebody else. That's just Trump. The sign doesn't say nothing. Hmm. What do you think?
You should do the Trump thing in the back and then flip it over. Say, oh, you thumbs up Trump.
Okay, shut up. Well, I just thought, well, I was showing y'all the, that's what I was doing. I was showing y'all the, I'm sorry, y'all. My head's about to explode right now, so I'm sorry. All right, let me find but I'm dedicated. No, I'm not dedicated. I just know there's always one student that's going to complain, so that's why I'm here. There it is. All right, so you need to, like, write it down. Hold on. I know somebody's fixing to say it. I can't say it. There it is right there. 199.67. Now, for those 9 or 10 people that need you to register for it. Now, a lot of you may say, well, I may not be able to take it. Well, that's fine. If you don't pay for it, you'll be dropped and everything will be fine. But I need your name on there because the more people that are in there, the more other people that's come into the Anderson campus will say, hey, there's Math 110. I'll take it there. And then if you drop out, there'll be people in there that, you know. But if there's like 2 in there, people aren't going to take it. People aren't going to sign up for it. So for those 5 or 10 people that, how many do we have?
Oh, it's 11.
11. For those 11 people, sign up for it. That's true. And if I have enough people in 111, then you can take the calculus under me in the spring, the Math 140. Because if I have 11 or 12 students, I can get a class made. Okay? So y'all sign up for it. If you don't sign up for it, you're all losers.
How come you don't do any online classes?
I do during the summer, and I'm doing this class.
I didn't see any for online summer.
Well, it should. She had to put my name beside it, evidently. Because I'm doing a 120. I'm doing 2 120s and a 110.
There's no online class.
But you're taking it this one. You signed up for 120 or 110? This is 110.
No, 120.
120, yeah. That's my class. But she just had to put the names beside it. All right. And here's 120. I'm teaching, in the fall, I'm teaching, for those that want to take 120 or 103 for more maths, if you're associate in science or you need more maths, I'm teaching this one, this 103 right here, and I'm teaching this math 120 right there. So that math 103 and that math 120, I'm teaching those 2. Capiche? Okay, I want to show you one more thing, and I want to ask you if you're smart or stupid. Okay? Is this person smart or stupid? Okay, if you can't see it, that ain't no kitty cat. That's a freaking bobcat. All right. Now at this point, I'm thinking, okay, it's a tree cam. That's what I thought until it moves, and then I'm sitting there going, okay, this is a hunter, and he's holding the camera on a bobcat that looks like it's fixing to charge him. I'd love to have him at home, but I'd love to find one and raise him. Ain't he pretty? Huh?
Bobcat about the same size as like a house.
Bobcat's about like a dog, like a medium-sized dog.
Like our backyard.
Might have been young bobcats. Lynx is a little bit smaller.
See you want Bobcat?
I wouldn't mind having one. I mean, to raise it. I mean, yeah, I wouldn't want one, bring it by and drop it off. No. I don't want you to bring, Anyway. All right, I guess we need to finish working. So, log base 5 of 6x over x plus 4 equals log base 5 of x. These two are the same, so it's just like the one previous. 6x over x plus 4 is equal to x. Multiply both sides by x plus 4. And you get 6x is equal to x squared plus 4x. And then what? You quit, right? Well, you could bring the 6x over. And that's going to give you 0 is equal to x squared minus 2x. And what's in common with x squared and 2x? Factor out of x. That'll leave you with x minus 2. X is equal to 0. Or x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is a possible answer. X is equal to positive 2 is another possible answer. Looking to see if any one of them will give you a negative. Don't think so. But you might want to go through and check it with the calculator. Okay. Let's do 2 more. Have a good day. There you go. This has got a couple little twists to it, might make it a little bit more challenging. What's the first thing you need to do?
Change it to log base.
Well, you can change it to log base. That's fine. Log base E. What else? No, but you got the right rule. Not the X, but which other thing should you move using the power rule? The 5. Why? Because then you'll have everything where you need to have it. Log base E of E to the X minus log base E of E to the 5th equals log base E of E to the 6th. And you can do this with natural log. I just like to write it as log. You don't have to. So what are all of these? All the same, right? So X minus 5 is equal to what? X is equal to. Now remember, if that came out to be a negative 11, what would you do? No solution. Why? Because you can't take the log of a negative number. But in this case, it could be possible because X is not in the actual log. X is in the exponential place. So you could have, because if a negative is in the exponential place, what do? Flip it and it makes it what? So you could actually have a negative as long as X is in an exponential spot. Last one. Now this one you haven't seen before. And this is what you do whenever you see one like this. Yeah, besides quit. After you throw your pencil down about the 3rd time, you say, well, there's got to be a way to do it or he wouldn't have gave it to us. And you're right. Now, is there anything that looks familiar?
Log.
Yeah, log. Thank you very much for that bright, shiny moment. What? I'm sorry, the bases are the same. Yep. That's not what I'm looking for, though, but that's one of them. Yes.
Plus some.
You see that parentheses squared? Well, when you see something like that, you might think use the power rule. Well, no, because that's different from log base 2 of x to the 2nd power. This is different. So what I would suggest doing is called U substitution. You will see this in Calc 1 again. Okay? You will see it. You see it in algebra, and you see it in calculus. Substitution. And that basically says take the most complicated part and make it equal to U. So in this case, U is equal to log base 2 of x. Now rewrite this. Instead of using log base 2 of x, rewrite it using U, wherever it is log base 2 of x. So what do you get? You get U what? Squared plus U is equal to 2. And now you quit again. No. You bring the 2 over and make it equal to 0. I'm skipping steps. I'm sorry. equal to 2. Now, I just told you what to do next. Bring the 2 over and set equal to what? Oh my gosh, we got a quadratic, so we got to use reverse what? FOIL. U, 1, 2. This is a positive, so that means our largest number has to be positive. This means unlike, so that's positive. This is a negative. So our possible answers are U is equal to 1 and what? U is equal to -2. Now you're not finished yet because you're still in U. And you got to get it back in terms of X. So if U is equal to this, then what can I do with that 1? Plug it in for U right here. So that's part 1. Part 2. 1 is equal to log base 2 of X. Same whole definition of a logarithm. A to the Y is equal to what? X. Right? No. A to the Y, 2 to the 1 is equal to X. And 2 to the 1 is 2, Hubert. That's right. The other one is -2. Now I don't think that's doable. Because well, maybe. I don't think you can take the log of a number and get a negative. I don't think you can. That'd be 2 to the -2 is equal to X. And 2 to the -2 is 1/4. So 1/4 is equal to X. You might could take log of 1/4 over the log of 2 in your calculator. Let me see what it gives you. Go away. Log of 1/4 over the log of 2, is that what I said? Log 0.25 divided by, divided by log 2. Yeah, it came out being negative. That's your answer. So these are your two answers. X is equal to 2 and X is equal to 1/4. Comprende?